Introducing the DrillMate. This is a fantastic little portable drill press. Bum, bum, bum. I purchased this with my own money and I've been using it in my shop because I don't own a drill press. I lack the coin for a drill press, as well as I'm not sure which one I want, so this has led me to getting none. But I bought this and it works really well, and it does some things a drill press can't do. Namely, if you need to drill a hole in, say, a large sheet good or something that you can't get onto your drill press, this will get you a nice hole that goes straight into the product. Or it can go at an angle. We've got some preset angles, 90, 75, 60, and 45. And it's as simple as loosening these shafts, tilting it back, and hitting one of those angles. So it's really good at that, as well as it can be used on a wall if you need to do some masonry drilling, a ceiling, on top of a car. You know, it's really portable and could be used almost anywhere, as it says on the product packaging. BT Dubs, not a sponsored video. So some of the things it talks about on the box that are notable is the solid steel shafts. These allow the traveler to move up and down securely without any kind of movement. We also have a steel spring right here, and the spring helps keep the traveler up from collapsing your drill bit onto your project. We also have bearings inside here, and that gives it a lot of friction-free spinning, as well as because there's two bearings, it keeps the chuck straight down and very little movement. You know, that's quite acceptable. This is a 3/8 inch chuck, which can receive circular or hex bits up to 3/8 of an inch. It comes with a little key to tighten the chuck, and the key can be placed right here in this little rubber grommet for the feet. So you got 4 of those. Additionally, we have nylon bushings in here that help this travel smoothly up and down. An auxiliary handle, which comes in use especially if you're doing it on a surface that isn't flat on the floor. And we have options here to put your material underneath the base here and drill right through this opening, or you can put your piece in between here, so that way you have another platform, or you can take a small piece and put it on top of a wasteboard in this platform area to drill small pieces. There are additional options for cutting cylindrical items like this pipe. We have grooves that hold it stationary so you can get a dead center drill right into the pipe. Additionally, it has grooves on the bottom this direction, and these grooves will allow you to get it on a pipe that maybe you can't get in between the drill press operation there. In order to do this, you will need to remove the handle because the handle does interfere with that groove, but that's neither here nor there. Now I'd like to go ahead and chuck this up. With the chuck on, I'll now attach the drill. And now to do some sample drilling. Got me a nice hole here. If you need to go to the edge of a panel, just get an extra piece of the same thickness of a panel, and then you're able to get to that piece there. Additionally, I'll go ahead and drill a little hole on this pipe. Anyways, I like the DrillMate. I've found it useful in my shop. I hope this video was useful for you.